generally it's the one that says we are confident that's right.
Okay.
I feel like on the last test, I got that one right, but ended up missing it. But anyways,
Okay.
I agree. I think that's what the textbook talks about, is saying that 90% confident.
Yeah, we are 90% confident, and then yeah. So the trick for those is just look for the one that says confident, and that's how you get that.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's I am. Unless of course we miss this one, and then we can all make comments later.
But it's the true mean heart rate, not the sample mean, right?
Correct.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you for that. Okay. Number 2. Read. The researchers, blah, blah, blah. Females, 20 females, 15 males. So they did a QQ plot, and they're approximately normal. So I'm not 100% confident about this either, but this is the one I messed everybody up on last time. But I think I'm going to go with C. Yes, the distribution of the mean of each sample is normal, since the data have been determined to be normal.
Yes, that's what I've got as well.
I'll call you back later. Okay, good.
Yeah.
All right, that's me. Of the 4 types of confidence intervals listed below, which one is appropriate for the experiment? Hang on a second. I didn't actually read this thing here real quick. Okay. Confidence interval for the difference of means using independent samples.
Yep, that's what I got.
Yeah. Which is actually C here. D on our.
Yeah. So for the next one, question 5.
Number four is C, Charlie, correct?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
So we were all agreeing with you, Mark. Sorry.
Okay.
Okay. So for question 5, I've got obtain the balances of 98. What?
You skipped Matt.
Max up.
That's good.
Oh,
that's good. Go ahead. You're excited. Go ahead.
No, go ahead, Matt. Go ahead. I
roll.
Go, Matt. Go.
All right. Let me read over it real quick. Everyone's probably already done that. But it's found to be which of the following produce a confidence interval with a smaller. Okay, with smaller, then we would do delta, obtain balances of 90 rather than 30.
Yeah.
Yep. That's what I've got.
Okay. Just know that if since you made that alteration to your toilet, if somehow that thing goes haywire or leaks downstairs, you're gonna be liable. Okay.
Mark's missing. Mark's pulling out the duct tape in his toilet.
Did he have a backup or something? What happened?
I don't know.
Oh.
Mark, you really can't just use duct tape to fix everything.
Yeah.
Is it all fixed?
How I was raised. Okay.
So Mark, on 5 there, we did delta, obtain balances of 90 bank accounts rather than 30.
Yes.
Question 6. We have all the warm fuzzy stuff. 95% confidence interval. The Z-score. Oh, the margin of error. What am I doing? I'm doing the Z-score. Hold on. Jerks. This question wasn't on the review.
It was different on the review, huh?
Yeah, this is different.
It asked for how many people were needed.
If it's the same...
It's the same data. Just give me a second. I'll plug it in.
Data. We should be able to take our answer from number 5 on our quiz and subtract and divide by 2.
Well, no. So we can put the 1.960 times 2 divided by the square root of 4, which is 1.96.
The answer is 1.96.
That's what I got.
Okay, so just so you know, what I said is right. If you look at number 5 on your preparation sheet, it gives us the distribution, the confidence interval. Excuse me. So to find the margin of error, you can just subtract the upper interval, subtract the lower interval from the upper interval, and divide by 2, and you get 1.96 as well.
Nice. No, it's good to have multiple ways of doing that.
But how did you do that, Sarah?
What?
How did you do it?
I just, because I have my work for problem 5 out in front of me, I just took the 1.960 times 2 divided by the square root of 4.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So I mean, both ways work.
Yeah. Cool.
Okay. No, yeah.
Okay. So then 7 we know from is 998.040.
Mm-hmm. Then the upper bound. Oh, study my mouth.
Go, Matt. Go.
998.
It's Mark's turn
0.040.
here.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
Oh boy, hang on, my. You guys, my iPad just crashed.
Of course it did. Wait, Mark, what browser are you using?
Just Safari since it's on my iPad.
What do you use on your computer?
Google Chrome.
All right. So Chrome has a lot of problems with iLearn. I don't know why, but it does. You want to use Mozilla. You might save your crashing problem.
But I hate Mozilla.
I hate Mozilla too, but I only use Mozilla for BYU Idaho. Only reason I even touch Mozilla is I'm a big Chromer. I don't know if that's really.
Hang on. So this just deleted all my this just deleted all the answers that I had. Hang on.
Can you guys hear over the weekend? Microsoft was putting on a presentation about their Microsoft Edge, their browser, and it crashed during the presentation. So the presenter hurried and downloaded Chrome to present Edge.
Oh.
Wait, did he really?
Yeah.
That's
Oh,
crazy.
that's embarrassing.
Hang on. So number 2 is Bravo. Number 3 is Charlie. Number 4 is Charlie. Is that right?
Correct.
The number 5 is Delta.
Yep.
Number 6 is 1.96.
Yep.
All right, and then what was the lower bound?
998.040.
What is going on with this thing? Okay. No, let's see here. I'm completely lost because I haven't done any of the work for the last couple problems.
So,
Are you on number 8 then there, Mark? You mean?
Yeah.
so it's just the upper bound from the worksheet that we did, which is 1001.960.
What worksheet did we do?
The preparation review for the exam.
Oh, I didn't do that. Yeah.
That doesn't work
No,
for me. I'm not that quick if I don't do it beforehand.
Oh, I thought no. I didn't bother to read it because I thought that it was just going to be another one of those little just review chapters like it was last unit.
No, it is.
Becky, I'm not that quick, but I am that lazy, so I don't do it either.
You don't? There's no way.
Becky, I work on it. I don't always get it all the way down. Like I didn't get it finished today, but I also work on it. Don't worry.
There was no way I would keep up with you guys if I didn't do it beforehand. No way.
All right, so the upper bound is 1001.960. Is that right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Correct. And then number 9, I think it was my turn as we were going through the rotations. So number 9, I got 38,416, 38416.
Yep, got it. Question 10, I have delta. The null hypothesis 1250. The alternative U is less than 1250.
Yep.
Okay. Excellent.
Okay, 11. In the statistical test, the p-value is less than alpha.
Yep.
Well,
Well done.
I love you. I love you, Sarah. I like your positive reinforcement. I like it.
I do what I can. If I don't do positive, so when I do my homework, my husband laughs at me because I often like, "Good job, Sarah," and he laughs at me. He's like, "What are you doing?" I'm like, "If I didn't do this, I'd be crying." I
like it. It helps me. Okay, Mark, you're up on 12.
Yeah, hang on, I'm a really slow reader.
That's okay.
Is it Sarah's turn here?
Yes. Am I? Wait.
No, it's Mark.
It's Mark.
Yeah, it's mine.
Oh, I just went on. Sorry, probably out of turn there.
Mark, your turn. We'll let you have a turn.
They should be able to use the ANOVA just fine, but I don't necessarily believe with well, I guess Charlie, since a bell-shaped curve is normal.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mac, it's your turn. Look, I'm not even trying to get in front of you this time.
I just did 11. All right, let me read this here. A medical researcher.
Oh, hell.
Hang on a second, I'll be right back.
Okay.
All right.
I'm going to have to bleep
Sorry.
you, though. Sarah?
What?
I'm going to have to bleep you.
You have to bleep me. What?
Language.
I swear? No. Oh. Sorry. Type 2 error, correct?
Oh, I said type 1.
All right, so type 1 error is committed when the null hypothesis in reality is true. A type 2 error is committed when we fail to reject a null hypothesis that is in reality. Oh, maybe you're right. Yep, you're right. Sorry. Type 1.
You sure?
Because she felt it because she rejected it at first and it shouldn't have been rejected, correct?
Yeah.
All right, so
Yeah.
it's type 1.
So A.
Sorry, guys, I actually have been working really hard not to swear.
It wasn't a bad one.
Oh, it's okay. I was like, wait, crap, what happened? All right. I've actually been working on it a lot. Okay. We're on 14.
So, whose turn? Where are we on 14 here?
We're on 14, but Mark ran away because his toilet's blowing up. I feel like we should make up some crazy story as to what's going on with Mark's toilet. So what happened this morning was Mark got really frustrated with his small child and he tried to flush her down the toilet and she got stuck.
I think when they were serving pumpkins, they put all the guts down the toilet yesterday.
What?
They put all their pumpkin guts down there yesterday or Monday after they went to the pumpkin patch. So all the pumpkin guts.
Oh no, so I help manage an apartment complex and I could totally see somebody doing that.
Becky talks about pumpkins and Sarah talks about flushing a child down the toilet. Polar opposite.
Okay. What did I miss?
You missed Sarah talking about flushing your child.
Oh, we've all been there.
Becky also talked about flushing pumpkin guts. We were taking bets on what happened to your toilet.
Yeah, so these guys came in to fix it, and it's been basically running since they left, and I just kind of thought here for just now, I was like, oh, I don't think that's right.
Oh, the flapper valve's out.
What's that? Yeah, it is. So I need to figure out what's up with my float here, but did we do number 13 yet?
Yeah, 13 is committed a type 1 error, but
okay.
you need to replace your flapper valve. Part of the float, but it's different.
It's filling with water fine, and I just kind of nudged it up onto. I just kind of propped up the float thing onto something, and now it stopped. But
No, the flapper valve isn't sealing right because the seal's broken on it. So you want to switch it out. Anyways, we can talk about that later.
Whose turn is it for 14? I'm lost.
I did 13. You're at 14.
Sarah.
Oh, it's my turn? Okay.
Yeah, back to 13, right?
13, yeah, 13 was committed a type 1 error because remember, Becky, you were going to have to bleep me.
Oh, yeah.
So
Okay.
it's your turn.
So 14 is A. They are related. If one goes up, one has to go down.
Yep,
Right.
got it.
Right.
Like it.
All right. The Negroid contains. Let's see here. So. So what am I supposed to do with all this information here?
So on this one, you have to find the P score. How? So I think the way I did that was just using that equation. Which one? Well, first you find the z-score.
I lost my pen.
Wait, did you say you lost your pants? Max, did you say you lost your pants, or was that Mark?
Oh, that's Mark.
Just his pen.
Oh, his pen. I really swear he said pants. I was like, what?
He's not working on the toilet right now. He's just lost his pen.
Sorry, no, I lost my pen. P-E-N. my writing utensil. Okay, so let's hear. So the equation is.
What equation is it? It's z equals 1.53 minus 1.5 divided by.
Where's our usual?
7.
Over
So I think
0.17
Hold on.
over the square root of 100.
Yeah.
Yep.
Wait, what is it?
That's back
1.5.
in less than 9, by the way. If you're looking at your notes, that's less than 9 for
Hold
the
on.
z-score equation. At least that's where I have it in my notes.
Okay, hold on. I'm almost there.
Is x minus mu. No, what is the equation without
Yeah, x bar minus u divided by standard deviation over square root of n.
n?
Wait,
Yeah.
where are you getting square root of?
N.
Oh, yep, you're right. Son of
So I
a.
got the z-score as 5.602767 yada yada yada.
No.
Let me scroll up to the top here and open up my
I got a
normal
different
probability
z-score from you
applet.
then, Mark.
Yeah.
What's that? Okay, hang on.
I got a different z-score than you. I got 1.765.
Okay, let me look at my math here. So it's 0.03 over 0.17 over. Oh, there's my problem. Hang on. Looks like I fat fingered an 8 in there.
How did you get the 1.53? Where did that come from? What is the x bar?
X bar,
Yeah.
the sample mean is in the equation.
Gives us that?
Is that what you're asking?
Yes. Yeah. Where did we find that 1.53 number? I can't remember now.
Just
That's the average that they found.
Okay.
That's the sample average. Yeah, the sample mean rather. To use the correct terminology.
Rava.
Where are you, Pug? At a 0 point.
Did we also? No.
What the heck? Oh.
So which areas of this should be highlighted?
It's less than, so to the left.
That's less than?
Isn't it
Oh,
greater?
than.
No, it should be greater than, right?
Sorry, greater than. I just like to mess with you. I think I'm funny. Okay.
All right. So I got the P score at 0.0388, which I believe is lower than the.
I got something different than you. What do you get for your Z-score, my friend?
1.7647, a bunch of other numbers.
I got something very different than you. So I got 0.0176 or 0.018 when we round it. What did you guys get?
1.765.
I got the same thing, 1.765.
Okay, pause. So we took the 1.53 minus 1.5, right?
Yeah, leaving with 0.03.
Okay, 0.03 divided by 17 divided by the square root of 100, which is 17 divided by 10.
0.17. It's not 17.
Is it 0.17? What? Oh, wait, hold on. Pause. That would be a terrible standard deviation for this. Okay, 0.17. All right, that's my problem. Okay. I feel like a goober. Thanks, guys.
That's okay.
All right, so it's 1.764, correct?
47, so it rounds to 1.765.
Okay.
All right, so the level of significance is 0.05, so we reject the null hypothesis.
Yes. Delta.
Okay. Thanks, guys.
Wait, because our P-score is 0.0777.
Do you have both sides of the? Do you have are you two-tailed or one-tailed?
Two-tailed.
It should be one. It should be just to the right.
Okay. right. So that gives us 0.0389.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So then which is less than, okay. So then we reject the null hypothesis. Okay. Which is D. Okay.
All right. My turn here. You would like to look at the mean number of hours worked for wages per week by male students and female students. You would like a random sample of 100 for each group and test if those means are different. What is the correct statistical procedure? It would be a one sample t-test, I believe. Is that right?
Shouldn't it be independent samples t-test?
Yep.
Yeah.
Because we have two sets of data. We got the male
yes.
data and the female data we're comparing.
Okay. Yep. Independent sample t-test.
Right. You have the t-test.
Thanks, Mark.
Okay, question 17. An educator is interested in academic achievement by males and females within their academic support system. Besides these brothers and sisters raised in the same home. Okay, this is dependent sampling. Right, no, dependent sampling. If you select brothers who has to convert that achievement to a sister, you must include the sister in your study.
Yep.
So, delta.
Cool.
Okay.
This goes on forever.
All right.
Number 18 is going to be confidence interval for mu when sigma is unknown, A.
Okay. Stand by. Let me plug in all this stuff here. So this is a one sample t-test, correct? Since we don't know the
Yeah.
the thing.
I'm a horrible person. Okay.
Let's see, and we're trying to figure out.
We need to do that. This is dissolved carbon organic, right?
Yeah.
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 So I've gotten like all of these margin of error problems wrong. What is the procedure for getting the margin of error?
Sample t-test.
I really like Becky's way. That's what I do.
Yeah, that's why I generally do as well. You take the upper bound and lower bound of your confidence interval, which should be lower bound should be 11.168, upper bound 15.217, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. Take your 15.217 and then minus the 11.168,
Okay.
and then divide that by 2.
Okay. Give me just a second. I got 2.025.
Yep.
They went out. It got good.
That's what I got.
Yep.
So
Okay.
lower bound is obviously 11.168.
Upper bound is hold on, let me get this typed in. 0.168. And upper bound is the 15.217.
Yep.
Yep.
Okay. Use Summers, New York, and LA. Of the 4 types of confidence intervals, we will use a confidence interval for the difference of means using independent samples. C.
See? Nice. Well done, Becky. Well done.
Thank you.
Okay.
All right.
These jerks. Sorry, wait a second.
Well, it should be our answer number 18, right? Which is negative 423.
Is that?
Negative
I
423.
I really don't like these guys.
Negative 1430?
423. 423. How did I do that? Now I don't remember.
Okay.
Son of a spitting monkey.
So yeah, you just paste it all in, right? And it gives you the confidence intervals.
Yeah, I got a second. Like, dirty rats. Does anyone else find how they do these worksheets ridiculous? Because you know they're just messing with you how they do it.
How are we getting this number, negative 423?
Hold on.
So we're doing a confidence interval for the difference of means using independent samples. So we go to our quantitative inference and we do a 2-sample t-test. And then we just put in the variables and it spits out our confidence interval.
Okay. I assume we need to separate H2 and H1.
Yep.
Yep. And do you guys have a ton more in variable 1 than we do in variable 2?
About 62. Yeah, they're about 50 or so more in the second half.
What's that one in the second half? It actually doesn't matter.
Is this? Are we doing an A nova? Or are we doing an A nova? Or are we doing a 2 sample?
2 sample.
2-sample t-test.
But what about there's H1, H2, and H3, aren't there?
Nope. It's just the t-test between the two, right? Let me look at this again. Yeah, calculate a 95 for the 2 difference of mean listing prices between Hummers in LA and New York. So the H1, H2, H3 don't matter. It's just the pricing between the two.
Mark, you and I were doing the same thing. We're comparing cities, not cars.
Oh.
I would just caught on to that myself.
All right. Never mind. As you were.
No, you're okay.
Second.
This is when they purposely are messing with us, so keep that in mind. Although I'll go ahead and laugh if we get this. I have to apologize.
No, we got it right now. I was just looking at the cars with Mark thinking it was Innova. Negative 4.3.238, is that what we've decided? Is that what?
Negative
423. Is that what everybody else got?
Negative 4.
Hang on, I'm really not there yet.
Yeah. Oh, give me the decimal places, Sarah.
0.238.
Thanks.
Let's see here. Yeah, negative 4.23238. Cool.
24, the upper bound is 5417.336.
All right, now we're moving on. That's good. Spent a lot of time doing that, but that's okay.
Okay. All right. Whose turn is it? Mine, isn't it?
Yours.
Okay. Many studies have suggested there's a link between exercise and healthy bones. Exercise stresses the bones, and this causes them to get stronger. One study examined the effect on jumping on the bone density of growing rats. There were 3 groups. So 3 groups are going to be doing the ANOVA test.
Yes.
All right. So everybody, get your data put in.
Be right
All
back.
right,
Nick.
hang on.
Oh.
All right. The correct hypothesis test is an ANOVA, isn't it?
Yes.
All right.
Look at this. This is so fun.
I get 7.978.
7.978. Is that
Oh,
what you're, Becky?
Yep.
Sorry, 26. I had to go. I had to go help a child on the toilet. What did we get for 26?
Sorry. 26 was 7.978.
7.798.
7.978.
Oh, 978. 978. Thank you.
And the p-value is 0.002.
Thank you. Sorry.
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's funny. 2.
You're up for number 28 there, Mac.
I am? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So since it was less than, let's see here. It would be A, B, C, delta here.
What?
At least one of the groups is different.
Does Charlie? Oh no, it's Delta. You're right. You're right. I can't count today.
Wait.
So
Oh, yeah. There we go. Never mind.
There is sufficient evidence to conclude that the mean body density of at least one group is different from the body of the other groups.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
C, Charlie.
D, Delta. You're miscounting. Because it's a weird one.
There's
Oh,
5
yeah.
of this one.
Yeah, you're right. Yep.
Okay. Of course it's my turn again. Okay. Hold on. Give me a second. Let me figure out what the heck I'm doing. Okay. Ah! What just happened? Oh, okay. Fine. Sorry. Pressure, supply, and demand, direct flight, blah, blah, blah. Oh, this is dependent sample test. The very last one.
That's what I got.
So, echo.
All right, so that's going to be a
Echo.
sample test.
Okay, I hear it. Okay.
I have a test statistic of 1.685.
Still copying and pasting.
Yep. Yeah. Control C. Excellent. Now where am I at? What am I doing?
I got the same thing, Becky. I like it.
Nice.
Okay. What do you get?
1.685.
Well, I got 1.685. Yep, we're all good.
Sweet.
Look at how well we all agree with each other.
That means that the p-value is 0.096.
Nice. Mac, the last one's yours.
Righty. So since it is less than, we would reject it. So it is bravo, sufficient evidence to conclude that there is a difference.
Okay. Nice.
Cool.
Save all responses. Alright, everyone ready to submit at the same time?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, submit. Yeah,
That was
submit.
better than the last review. I liked that review better.
Yeah.
100%, my friends.
Longer.
Yay.
And yay!
Just like on